Hi students, today we are going to study about the topic patterns in whole numbers. Whole numbers can be represented in different forms of elementary shapes, that is line, rectangle, triangle and square. First we have to discuss about how to represent the numbers in the form of line. First heading is line. First we take the number 1, then it is represent 1 dot. Then taking 2, then represent 2 dots. Then taking 3, then represent 3 dots. Then taking 4 to represent 4 dots. Then that means in every number we can representing the patterns in whole numbers as line. So line can be represented in every whole numbers. Okay. Then our second section is rectangular form. First section line, then second section is rectangular form. In rectangular form, one specialty is that first of all we have to take the number 3. How we can represent the 3 as the rectangle shape? Put 3 dots? No, it is only the line shape. So, any idea the number 3 is which number, which type of number, prime or composite number? Yes, 3 is a prime number. Do you know prime number means? Yeah, prime number means only 2 factors. So, in rectangular shapes, we can represent only composite number. Composite number means more than 2 factors. So, we take the number 4. 4 is a composite number because 4 has more than 2 factors, that is 1 into 4 and 2 into 2. So, we write how to represent 4 as the rectangular form. We put 4 dots. How we can represent 4 dots as? 4 means 2 multiply 2. So, we write 1, 2, 3, 4. So, it is the form of rectangle and also it is the form of a square. So, 4 is represented the elementary shape as a rectangular form. Next number 5 is a prime number, so does not represent it is a rectangular form. Next we are taking the number 6. How we can write the number 6 as a composite number? 1 into 6, 2 into 3. So, here we take as 2 into 3. Then how we can draw the rectangular shapes? First we have to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, joining these dots. So, we get 6 as a rectangular form. Next prime number 7. So, 7 is not representing as a rectangular form. So, we take the number 8. Then 8 means 2 into 4. So, write 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 dots. Then next 5, 6, 7, 8. So, joining all these dots. So, we get 8 as a rectangular form. So, every composite number is represented as the elementary shape of rectangular form. Similarly, the same way every square numbers can be represented the rectangular form, also the square form. So, I hope all of you understood how to find out these two elementary shapes, the patterns in whole number. First is line. So, every number can be represented in the form of a line. Second section is rectangular form. To be very careful, we have to find out the rectangular numbers of the patterns in whole numbers. We are taking only composite number. Okay. Third section is square pattern. In square patterns, we have to take only the square numbers. That means the square numbers are 1. 1 square equal 1 into 1. 2 square equal, that means 2 square equal 2 into 2. So, we write 1 as 1 multiply 1 equal 1. Then 2 square means 2 into 2 equal 4. Then 3 square 3 into 3 equal 9. The next is 4 square, 4 into 4 equal 16. So only the square numbers can be represented the patterns of whole numbers in square pattern. Okay, first we have to put 1 into 1. Put only 1 dot. Then 2 into 2 equal 4. Then how we can represent 4? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is a square number. Then 3, 3. Put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we write 8 dots and joining these 8 dots. So we get 1 square. Next is 4, 4, 16. So put 4 dots in 4 rows and 4 columns. So write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. So joining these dots. So we get only the square numbers can be represented in the square pattern. Then one more pattern is here. That means first we have to put the number is 1. So we write 1. Next our number is 4. How we can write 4 as the pattern in number? Here first number is 1. So we write 1 plus 3 equal 4. 1 plus 3 equal 4. Next our number is 9. So our pattern is 1 plus 3 plus 5. That means 3 plus 1 equal 4. 4 plus 5 equal 9. So our number is 9. Next number is 16. So our pattern is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus. Any idea? Next number? Yes, these all numbers are odd numbers. That is 1 is an odd number. Then 1, 3. Second odd number here. 1, 3, 5. That is first odd number, second odd number, then third odd number. Here, yes, it is fourth odd number. Fourth odd number is 7. So 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 equal 1 plus 3 equal 4. 4 plus 5 equal 9. 9 plus 7 equal 16. So our number pattern is 1. Next is 1 plus 3. Next is 1 plus 3 plus 5. Next is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. These are the number pattern of square. Okay. Next pattern is triangular pattern. In triangular pattern are the number of dots used to form of triangle. Triangular numbers are number of dots used to form triangles. So first we take 1 dot. Next we are taking 2 dots. 1, 2. 2 dot as basin and 1 dot here. Can you join these dots? Yes, we can join these dots. So it is the form of one triangle. Next we have to write 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. 3 dots as basin. Then put 2 dots. Then 1 dot. Then joining these 2 dots. Then we get another triangle. Next is, any idea? Next how we can draw the triangle? Yes. 1, then here 2 dots, here 3 dot as basin. So it is 4 dot as basin. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. So joining these dots. This is the form of one triangle and this is the form of another triangle and it is also the triangle. So we get another triangle. So here the number is, first we write the number, put 1 dot. So write 1. Here the 2 dots as a basin and 1 dot here, that is 2 plus 1 or 1 plus 2. Anyway you have to write. Here we write 1 plus 2, that is 1 dot and 2 dots. Then next is 1 dot, then 2 dots, then next is 3 dots. So 1 plus 2 plus 3. Next is how many dots? 1, then 2, 3, last is 4. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So in triangular pattern of whole numbers, which numbers are there? That is, here number is 1. Here 1 plus 2 equal 3. Next is 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3 equal 6. Next is 1 plus 2 equal 3. 3 plus 3 equal 6. 6 plus 4 equal 10. So the triangular pattern numbers are 1, 3, 6, 10. Next pattern we have to discussing here. How many base dots are using? 4 base dots. So here 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next is 1, 2, 3, 4. Next is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1. Then joining these dots. Next triangle. So in our pattern is we have to using 1 dot, then next 2 dots, next 3 dots, next 4 dots, and last our base is 5 dots. So 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 5 15. So in the triangular forms we have to using the pattern numbers are 1, 3, 6, 10, 15. Okay. I hope all of you understood how we can find out the patterns in whole numbers. It can be represented the 4 elementary shapes: square, rectangle, triangle and line. In line, every number we can represent it in the form of a line. In square and rectangle, we can represent only the square numbers. In square form, only taking square numbers, and the rectangular form we have to taking only composite number. The square and rectangular patterns are interrelated, and last is triangular pattern. We have to put the triangular pattern in so many dots as you like these dots. Then the triangular patterns in whole numbers, we are getting the numbers as 1, 3, 6, 10, 15, and its pattern is first is 1, next is 1 plus 2, next is 1 plus 2 plus 3, next is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, next is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, next is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, okay, etc. Like this. Okay, I hope all of you understood. Okay children, bye.